Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between the Comfee portable washing machine and the Elevon portable mini washing machine. If you're living in a small space like an apartment, RV, or dorm, finding the right washing machine can be a challenge. The Comfee offers a full automatic experience with a 0.9 cubic feet capacity, while the Elevon provides a compact, semi-automatic solution for those on a budget. Let's see how these two machines stack up against each other in terms of automation, capacity, and price. The Comfee washing machine is fully automatic, meaning it handles the entire washing process from start to finish without any user intervention. In contrast, the Elevon requires manual monitoring for filling and draining, making it less convenient for those who prefer a hands-off approach. If automation is a priority for you, the Comfee is the clear winner here. When it comes to capacity, the Comfee offers a larger 0.9 cubic feet, making it suitable for bigger loads like towels and jeans. On the other hand, the Elevon has a smaller capacity of 5.5 pounds, which is ideal for lighter loads such as socks and undergarments. If you frequently wash larger items, the Comfee will serve you better, while the Elevon is perfect for those with minimal laundry needs. Price is always a crucial factor when choosing a washing machine. The Comfee is priced at $259, reflecting its advanced features and full automation. In contrast, the Elevon is significantly more affordable at just $77, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. However, this lower price comes with the trade-off of reduced automation and capacity. Consider your budget and laundry needs carefully before making a decision. In conclusion, both the Comfee and Elevon portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The Comfee is ideal for those who prioritize automation and larger capacity, while the Elevon is perfect for users seeking a budget-friendly, compact solution. Whichever you choose, make sure it fits your lifestyle and laundry needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.